8:23 in the morning, and Swanson is blocking the bike lane. Iowa plates DX0777. Morning.
What's the matter?
You're in the bike lane. In Minnesota, it's illegal to park in the bike lane for any length of time.
I'm just trying to get back in to unload.
Well, I mean, that's on them to schedule you right so that you're not blocking the bike lane. So I'm just going to take these pictures and make the 311 reports when I get to work.
Oh, well.
This has been an ongoing issue with Swanson Meats. I know you're trying to do your job,
I'm just
but I'm trying to. Yeah, I know. It's on them.
Let me ask you something.
Yep.
I just got a question for you. Why is it that the bicycles run the stop sign all day long over here? I'm just asking why.
I can't answer that. When
It's all day long. All day long.
Okay. That's it.
I'm just asking.
I mean, that has nothing to do with you parking in the bike lane.